If Steam is telling you that your game is already running, but you can't actually see it open, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix you can try in just a few seconds. This works for many common Steam launch issues, and it's a great first step before trying anything more advanced. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut opens Task Manager directly, which is much faster than going through menus. Once it opens, you'll see a list of apps and background processes currently running on your computer. Now look through the list and find the game process. Sometimes the game may be stuck in the background even if the window is not showing on your screen. If you see the game name, click on it once to select it, then choose End Task. This forces Windows to close the frozen or hidden game process. After that, you also want to look for all Steam processes. Steam itself can sometimes get stuck and keep the game marked as running, which causes the launch error. So check for anything labeled Steam, Steam Client, Bootstrapper, or similar. Select each Steam process you find and click End Task as well. Make sure all Steam-related processes are fully closed before moving on. Once you've ended the game and Steam processes, wait a second or two so everything has time to shut down completely. Then try launching the game again from your desktop shortcut or from Steam itself. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the already running error and get the game starting normally again. If the issue comes back later, you can repeat the same steps anytime it happens. It's a simple fix, but it solves a lot of launch problems caused by stuck background processes. And if you're still having trouble after this, restarting your PC can also help clear out any leftover processes. That's it for this quick fix. You now know how to stop the stuck game process, close Steam properly, and try launching the game again. If this helped, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more fast gaming tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.